Want to build an AI that can think and act on its own? In this video, learn how to create Agentic AI from scratch in 2025, using simple tools and concepts anyone can understand. Agentic AI is a smart system that doesn't just answer questions, it takes action. It can plan tasks, make decisions, use the internet, and complete goals without constant input. To build Agentic AI, just a few key parts are needed. A language model like ChatGPT or Claude. This is the brain. A planner that breaks big tasks into smaller steps. A memory system to remember what it has done. Tools to browse, read files, or call APIs. And finally, a goal or task you give it, like researching or writing. Here's how it works, step by step. First, you give it a goal, like find startup ideas. Next, it plans out steps, such as searching online and comparing options. It uses tools, like a browser or calculator. It remembers results and adjusts its plan if needed. Finally, it gives you a final answer, or even takes the next action on its own. No coding is needed if using tools like Crew AI, LangChain, or AutoGen. Just connect the pieces with basic setup. Agentic AI can help run your business, manage tasks, send emails, analyze data, or even build products automatically. Agentic AI is the future, and now, anyone can build it. Like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want beginner-friendly tutorials or no-code options.